So, a group of us have been getting together and making some videos using some software called Upbeat. And I just thought I would put together a little demonstration of how this Upbeat software works and how it does what it does. And it's one of those things that you can record several people and it puts it into one of those Brady Bunch type grids where everybody's singing together. And so let me go over a few of the tips and details of how that works. The website is upbeatmusicapp.com, and check it out. But here's a little tutorial on how it works, a real quick tutorial.
Let's do the whole thing again.
Okay.
It's only 2.5 minutes. All right, gang, I'm going off to record.
Okay, bye. See you soon.
Bye, Mike.
Hi, OBS.
That's right.
All right, so what happens at first is everyone's in a room together, and they're all kind of talking and discussing what parts they're going to do. And then when you're ready, somebody starts and becomes the leader and starts recording, and then the rest of you kind of just sit there and chat and wait while the one leader is recording the video, his version of the video. One of the things that you can do while you're waiting is go into the setup. Setup allows you to essentially synchronize the speed of your video and your computer and make sure that the lag that is built into your computer recording system is adjusted for. And so we click on setup, and then it gives you a little beat that allows you to kind of clap along, and then once you've finished your little recording of your clapping, you can go in and adjust it back and forth and get it so that it's just, right on. When the leader is done recording the backing track or the leader track, then you can click on record and then record your part of the song. And then once that recording is done, then you can play it back, and you can see a similar thing that you saw in the setup where you have a grid and you can move your piece back and forth in time to synchronize it exactly to take up for any lag that was in the internet as you're transferring the files back and forth. There's always a little bit of lag built in there, and so by doing this calibration you can adjust your piece of music to synchronize just right with the leader track, and then when you click done, then it uploads to back to the program and waits for everybody else's piece to get finished, and then they get uploaded, and then you're pretty much done.
I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? I want to know, have you ever seen the rain?
So my recording is done, and now we're waiting for Cheryl and Alana, and once theirs is done, then the whole thing will automatically convert. There it goes. Now it's starting to convert the videos, and once those 6 videos are done, then you can listen to it, play it back, download it, and check it out, and you've got a finished video.
Symbol is perfect, John.
The symbol is great.
Yeah.
It all sounds good. Oh, Cheryl, I like the keys. That's perfect.
Yeah,
You can hear
I
it?
really like it.
Yeah. Yep. Well,
It's not bad.
but-
It keeps everything centered. I'm the sequencer. You would see why. It sounds great.
So they do have a free version of this, but it has some limitations. If you want to be able to use the leader mode version, you do have to get the minimal subscription of $10 a month. And then if you want to have more people that you can record with and more recordings that you can make, then you can step up to the $20 a month. But if you do that, split it between a group of people, it's pretty affordable. There is 2 versions of this. There's something called the Upbeat Live and then Upbeat Perform. This is really just demonstrating the Upbeat Live. Upbeat Perform gives you, some other capabilities, but it doesn't happen in real time. You do your recordings and then wait for the other people to submit their recordings whenever they get to it, and then you can put it together. But that gives you some other advantages to be able to adjust some levels and things in that Upbeat Perform version. So let's take a listen to Have You Ever Seen the Rain that we recorded using Upbeat. Enjoy.
Someone told me long ago, there's a calm before the storm. I know it's been coming for some time. Where it's over, so they say, it'll rain a sunny day. I know, shining down like water. See